Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word necks. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The giraffes have long necks that they use to reach leaves high up in the trees. Necks refers to the part of the body that connects the head to the shoulders of humans and certain animals, typically characterized by length and flexibility. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.